Hearing strange noises when you press the clutch? Don't panic yet. Not all clutch issues mean it's time for a replacement. For example, a squeaking or chirping sound might be caused by a worn release bearing or even a dry clutch fork. A rattle or chatter could be from loose components, not necessarily the clutch itself. It's easy to assume the worst, but diagnosing the noise properly can save you a lot of money. In part 2, I'll explain which symptoms actually mean it's time to change the clutch and what else to check first.